For our first subassembly A, we'll take the bearing 1048 and the plastic 1005. You'll snap them together and make sure the bearing goes flush with the plastic. Next step is subassembly B. We're going to put together our belt bearing holder. You're going to take your plastic and you're going to want to make sure the nut holder is on the bottom and the Allen head of your screw will be on the top portion. You're going to want to put it through the bearing and you're just going to want to do it finger tight at this point. Subassembly D, we're going to be putting the motors onto the plastic mounting brackets. You're going to notice that there's two different size motors. There's a taller one and a shorter one, and they're denoted with different part numbers. We're going to take the shorter one for this assembly. We're going to mount it onto our plastic using 4 different bolts, 1033s. You're going to want to make sure that the wiring is facing towards the back. You're going to notice on the shaft of the motor there's a flat spot, and you're going to want to actually put one of the set screws directly over that flat spot. You're going to place the pulley over the shaft so that the set screws are on the top portion of the pulley, and you're going to want to mount it flush with the top of the shaft. Subassembly C is identical to subassembly D, except for it has the larger motor. Now we're going to mount our bearings, and they're going to go on the same side as the other plastics. And you're going to take your bolts, the 1033s, you're actually going to go through the back side of the metal bars so that it comes out the top here.